The way people talk about science these days is as if everything's known and it's a series of, yeah, well, this leads to that, and that leads to that, and that leads to that, and you just need to know kind of what the process is. Whereas it seemed to me that their version of what they work on, so cell development, organ development, and so on, and in the end, person development, was open to change, to influence, to variation.
We already had in mind that it would be nice to explore these ideas in part by working with dancers. Because from the perspective of our research, it's all about shape, form, and it's also about changing shapes.
When we were first getting the project started, I felt like I needed to learn everything about genetics. And then as we went through the project, I realised that that was a ridiculous idea, and really we just needed to have a chance to be creative with trying to understand each other, and that would be the most important thing.
For me as an Oxford person, it was really nice to feel part of the university because it is so huge, and I think that one of the really nice things about this project was that Shankar and Wes came into the session to talk to our young people.
We really quickly got into Marvel Comics because, as well as differently shaped humans, in the 16th and 17th century, there were a lot of theories around about animal-human hybrids and the possibility of an animal-human hybrid. So this didn't seem to them like some weird historical thing that people once upon a time believed.
Our science is all about 3 dimensions, it's about shapes. That was the reason why VR seemed like a natural extension of the artistic aspirations of the project, which was to take the dance into a virtual reality, 3-dimensional space.
Choreographers have been thinking about the organisation of space in 3 dimensions for a very long time. There's something of the meeting of these kind of choreographic concepts and filmic concepts that come together in VR or in working with immersive technology.
There have been times in life where I discover something completely new and it blows my mind. So, first time that I see VR, wow, this is it, this is the future, this is amazing.
I, as a member of the university living in Oxford, in the Oxford community, feel a part of the community. But there are people who are members of my community who are not part of the university, for whom the university is a separate entity. We felt that it's important to help bring down any sort of barriers between the community and the university, and to let the members of the community have a clearer understanding sense of what it is that the university does and what we do in our research.